If you are looking for natural solution to boost your hair, increase scalp health, you are in the right place. So today I bring you the one and only king of herbs, aka Bringdrick, aka Electi Alba ALBA. I'm talking about this, the best-selling Indian oil, which has numerous benefits. So I'm just gonna talk about the one they stay right here. So this one good for hair falling right here, graying right here, dandruff right here, sleepiness right here, alopecia, you can see, lice, and then this is the palm or swelling of burning sensation right here. It has over 5-10 ingredients, all are good. So I'm just gonna name few right here. These are all the ingredients. They have coconut, they have chili oil, they have maca oil, they have brain oil, they have almond oil, they have the walla oil, just to name a few right here. So for this one, good for hair growth, strengthen the hair and the scalp. So I'm just gonna do an oil treatment. This is how it come like. So you see that it's green in color. So this is how it, when I put it, it's green in color. So you can mix this with rosemary oil or just leave it alone because it's already standard. And I recommend you use it once or twice a week. But since you black hair for see hair, and you can use it anytime you want to shower as pre-poo or add it in your mask or your condition. All right, so let me just show you how I apply. So guys, I'm just gonna apply and pull to the top. So let me just divide some like that, see, and massage. You see the difference between this one and this one? See that? Because I let my hair be 3 weeks. So let me just finish apply and I will show you the end. So guys, this is the after I finish applying it. You can see for the scent, it's not pleasant, it's not beautiful because it has some herbs there that mixed to make this one. So it's not smell beautiful. I have a, but the nasty, the sting, the more it work. So I'm just gonna put this one here. That's one, and then 2 here. Let me know down in the comment if you ever try Bringdrick, aka King of Herbs. And then I'm just gonna put, I got this one. So right here, I'm just gonna sit right here and do my 30 minutes.